Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Mania. Today, we've got something truly special lined up for you, something that blends pure nostalgia with modern muscle. Meet the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Ultimate Classic. It's not just a car. It's a tribute, a revival, a bold reimagining of one of America's most iconic rides. At first glance, it looks like it was pulled straight from a 50s car show. Sleek chrome details, sharp tail fins, and that unmistakable silhouette that made the original Bel Air a legend. But look closer, and you'll notice that Chevy didn't just bring the past back, they brought it forward, combining classic design with futuristic tech and performance that'll blow your mind. Under the hood, this thing is packing serious power. We're talking about a 6.2-liter LT4 supercharged V8 engine borrowed straight from the Corvette Z06, cranking out a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower. That's right, this beauty isn't just for cruising, it's built to move. From 0 to 60 in just around 3.8 seconds, the 2025 Bel Air isn't playing games. It's got the soul of a classic, but the heart of a beast. Chevy has been really careful with the styling too. You've got the traditional two-tone paint options, vintage badging, and retro-styled LED headlights that blend perfectly into the old-school bodywork. The front grille, the chrome accents, even the white wall tires, they all scream 1950s Americana. But there's no doubt this is a modern machine. Step inside, and it's a whole different world. The interior pays homage to the original, with bench-style seating and vintage-inspired trim, but it's been updated with premium leather, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll find wireless charging, climate control, and even a heads-up display, all wrapped in that beautiful retro aesthetic. It's comfort, tech, and history all in one. Suspension and handling, totally modern. Magnetic ride control keeps the ride smooth and responsive, whether you're cruising down the highway or carving up a canyon road. Brembo brakes give it stopping power to match its speed, and adaptive traction ensures you're in full control no matter the conditions. Now, let's talk sound. And I don't mean the audio system, though, yes, it's a top-tier Bose setup. I'm talking about that engine note. When you start this thing up, you get that deep, throaty roar that only a V8 can deliver. It's aggressive, it's confident, it's exactly what you want from a car that looks like this. Chevrolet didn't just design the 2025 Bel Air Ultimate Classic for show. They built it to be driven. It's not a museum piece, it's a muscle machine wrapped in a tuxedo of nostalgia. Whether you're a collector, a performance junkie, or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this car checks all the boxes. There's also a ton of customization options. You can go with different classic color combinations, optional chrome wheel packages, or even retro racing stripes. It's all about making it your own, bringing that old school flair into your modern lifestyle. So, what's the catch? Well, exclusivity. This isn't going to be a mass-produced car. Chevy's keeping it limited, which means if you want one, you'll need to act fast, and probably have some cash ready. But for those who do manage to get behind the wheel, it's more than just a car. It's a rolling piece of art, a statement, a dream come to life. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Ultimate Classic. Let us know in the comments, would you take this over a modern muscle car, or does the classic styling win you over? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a ride. This is Motor Mania, signing off.